Hello everyone! Today we will sew with you basic t-shirt for men, women or children. This video instruction is suitable for sewing any t-shirt. T-shirt patterns for all family you can find under this video. For sewing a t-shirt, choose fabric with a low content of elastan, soft jersey, knit, interlock. Lay out all the pattern pieces. Pin it to the fabric. Cut out the fabric along the pattern's edge. You will have two sleeve pieces, one front piece and one back piece, and the detail of the neckline. Fold the neckband in half with the right sides together. Pin and stitch along the short edge. Fold the neckband in the half with the right sides together and press. Pin the front and back together with the right sides along the shoulder edge. Sew with the serger. Press the allowances to the back. Divide the neckband and the neckline into 4 equal sections. Pin the neckband to the neckline, matching the notches. Sew in place using serger. While sewing, stretch the neckband a bit. Press. Optional: top stitch the neckline, fixing the allowances. Press. Fold the hem of the sleeves of the t-shirt. Stitch with the double needle. Press. Pin the sleeve into the open armhole, aligning the notches. Right sides together. Sew in place. Press the allowances to the sleeve. Fold the sleeve in half, pin the side edges of the sleeve, front and back, with the right sides together. Sew all together with one stitch using serger. Fold the hem of the bottom, stitch with double needle and press. And your t-shirt is ready!